How to open an OKX account. Hi everyone. With its user-friendly interface and high level of security, OKX is becoming a top choice for crypto investors. In this video, I'll show you how to open an OKX account. First, open a web browser. I'll be using Google. To open an account and get special offers from OKX, visit coinaz.net/OKX. Or click on the link to open an OKX account in the description of this video. Let's get started. This is the Create Account section. First, select your country of residence. Click on this box to agree to OKX's terms and conditions. Then, click Next. Now, enter your email to receive the verification code. Then, click Sign Up. OKX has sent a code to your email. Please check your email to get the code. This is an email that OKX sent to me. If you don't see the emails in your inbox, click here. Then check the spam folder. Now, I'll open the email. This is the security code. I will enter the code here. Next, you need to add your mobile phone number. Ensure this number can receive verification codes. Then, click Verify Now. OKX has sent a code to your phone number. Once you receive the code, enter it here. Next, create a password for your account. Please note your password must be 8 to 32 characters long, and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. You can refer to the example password shown on the screen. Then, click Next. Your account has been successfully created. Now, you need to download the OKX app to proceed with identity verification. Click Download App. Click Get. Then, click Open. Since you just opened an OKX account, now click Login. First, enter the phone or email you used to open the account. Then click Next. Now, enter the password you just created. Then click Login. Please complete this CAPTCHA verification. Next, enter the code that OKX sent to your phone number. Click Get Verified. Click Verify now. First, select your country region. Then, click Next. Now, select an ID type. You can choose a citizen ID card, passport, driver's license, or residence card. I'll choose citizen ID card. Then, click Next. OKX would like to access the camera. Click Allow. Here are some notes for taking photos of your documents. Click Start Verification. Now, you will take a photo of the front side of your document. Please place the document front side within the frame with the edges aligned. After taking the photo, check it carefully to make sure all the details are clearly visible. If you want to retake the photo, click Retake. If all the information is clear, click Next. Similarly, please take a photo of the back side of your document. This is the face verification step. Before you proceed, please read the requirements carefully. Click Next. Then, follow OKX's instructions to complete the verification process. Your documents are now being reviewed. Once the verification process is complete, you will receive a notification via email. To protect your account, you should enable two-factor authentication. First, click here. Next, click on this section. Then, click Security. Here are the security methods you need to set up to protect your account. Now, I'll guide you through setting up Authenticator app. Click here. Click Link Authenticator app. First, enter the code sent to your phone number. Next, enter the verification code sent to your email. Now, you need to download an Authenticator app. I'll choose Google Authenticator. Click here to download the app. Click here. After downloading the app, click Open. Click Get Started. Sign in with your Google account. Click Add a code. You can choose to scan a QR code or enter a setup key. I'll choose to enter a setup key. First, enter your account name. Next, enter your key. Now go back to the OKX website. Click I've downloaded one. Click Copy key. Next, paste the key here. Then click Add. You've successfully created the code on the Google Authenticator app. Click the code to copy it. Then go back to the OKX website. Click Continue. Then, paste the code here. Authenticator app linked successfully. Similarly, you can link other authentication methods if you'd like. I've just shown you how to open an OKX account. Wishing you success.